Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Now a couple of weeks ago I did a video where I said I've recently purchased a GoPro Hero 13. Now I've come down to Burbage Common, just on the outskirts of Hinckley, to put it through its paces and see what it's like. I'll just flip you around now so you just see it. Now whilst I've been down here, I'd like to introduce you to a friend of mine, Mike, also known as, do you want to introduce yourself, Michael?
Hi, I'm Midland Train Spotter 2025.
I'll leave a link down below to his channel, so if you want to subscribe to him, then please do. And also Maddie's channel as well. Do you want to let that know? I'll include her as well down below in the description. So yeah, if you want to pop over to their channel, give them a bit of love, bit of subscribing. They've got plenty of good, decent train videos on there. In the meantime, hope you enjoy my video, and please leave a like and a comment. And I'll speak to you guys in the next video. Bye for now.
Ha ha!